Hi student. So today topic is set the page layout. Now what do you mean by the page layout feature in the Excel? Page layout feature of the Excel enables you to view and control the way your Excel sheet will look like on a printed page, including the page orientation, margins, then grid lines, then heading, background, etc. And this option can be set by using the tab page layout. Okay, so in the page layout tab there will be a different setting. You can set the margin, you can set the orientation, you can set the page size you want. Okay, you can set the printed area, you can set the background in the worksheet. Okay, and you can view the grid line or heading, you can add the header and a footer also. Okay, so first I am discussing the set margin. So these are the different option can be used set on the page while printing. You can set the margin, page size, background, orientation, hide or display grid lines, print area, set page headers and the footer. First I am discussing set margin. Now what do you mean by the margin? Margin is the space between the your content and the edge of the page. How you will set the margin? First you have to go to the view tab. Okay, in the view tab you have to select the page layout view from the workbook view group. Okay, so I am selecting the page layout. So here the page is given, that is the portrait form, that is in the portrait form. So in the printing your pages look like this. First I am discussing the margin, how you will set the margin. So here when you click on the margin, different margins are there. This is the by default. For example, you have to select the normal, wide, narrow. Okay, so I am selecting the narrow. So this will be the margin, or you can set the custom margin according to your choice. From the page layout tab you have to select the margin from the page setup group. Okay, and from the margin drop down menu you have to select the custom margin. So by setting the custom margin, for example, whatever margin you want you can set by using the custom margin. So for example, I have set it the 1.1, here also 1.1, here 1.4, here 1.4. Okay, this is my choice of margin. Click on the OK. It will set according to your requirement or according to your choice. So this way you can set the margin in the page. Now second one is the set page size. Now how you will set the page size? For example, here go to the same tab, page layout tab, page setup group. You have to select the size over there. Okay, in the size there will be a different size. A4 शीट है तो A4 शीट सेलेक्ट करोगे, A5 है तो A5 सेलेक्ट करोगे. लीगल वाइड होता है. ओके, you can choose any paper size. I have ordered by default it will be A4. Okay, now I am selecting the A5 size, so it will be automatically set it. Okay, so by this way you can set the size. Now next one is specify the background. How you will set the background? First I am selecting the A4 only. Okay, now third one is the specify the background. How you will set the background in the Excel worksheet? Go to the page layout tab, page setup group, and click on the background option. Okay, here the background option is there. Now I am clicking on the background option. Here the different options is there. If you have a already download the images, then you can select from your computer. Now you, if you want to search out, then I am searching out like see, the different images are there. Okay, now I am choosing this one. Okay, here insert, see, here background is set. Okay, here background image is already set. Okay, so by this way you can set the background. If you want to delete the background, then click on the delete background. Automatically it will be changed. There will be a different option after setting the background, delete background. Okay, so click on the delete, it will delete the background. Is that clear? Now next one is set orientation. Okay, set orientation means there will be a two orientation only, portrait or landscape. By default it is portrait. I want to set the landscape orientation. So what you have to do, go to the page layout tab, page setup group, and click on the orientation option. There will be a two option. By default it is portrait. Now I am selecting the landscape, so automatically it will be selected the landscape orientation. Okay, now next one is the hide or display the grid line. So first, what do you mean by the grid line and heading? Grid line means when you open an Excel document, you can see here the horizontal line and this one is the vertical line. Okay, that divides the worksheet into the cells. So this one is the particular cell. Okay, so these lines are called the grid lines. Okay, and the headings are there. For the row, there will be a different heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the n numbers. And here the column name is starting with the A. Okay, so these are the headings of the Excel sheet. Now if you want to hide this heading, then what you have to do, same, go to the page layout tab, then here the sheet option group is there. Here two options are there, grid line and the heading. By default it is selected the view में क्या होता है कि वो selected होता है, checkbox selected होता है, मतलब ये view है, आप देख सकते हो उसको, ठीक है. रो नंबर भी यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं और यहाँ पे कॉलम नेम भी दिख रहे हैं. If I am uncheck this grid line, then what happen? Will hide the grid line from the Excel sheet. When I am clicking on the uncheck of the view, then what happen? Heading will be hidden. Okay. Or if you want to print this grid line or the heading in the print preview, print layout, जो भी पेज layout है आपका, उसमें भी आपको दिखाना है, तो क्या करोगे? You can select here print option. So this both the grid lines and the headings will be shown when you are printing the page. Okay, so these are the grid lines and the heading. Now next option is define the print area. Now define the print area means you are selecting the area that will be printed on your printing page. Okay, so how it will be set? Go to the page layout, then page setup group. Now you have to select the area that you want to print. For example, I am selecting this area to print, okay, in my sheet. So what you have to do, go to the page layout, then page setup group, and click on the print area option here. And there is a drop down, two options are there, set print area and the clear print area. Now I am setting the print area. So what happened here, see, the line will be there. You have selected the line. In that selection area, the line will appear. Okay, so when you are printing this page, this part only will be printed. Okay, now if you want to clear this print area, then what will happen? Same, you have to go to the page layout, page setup group, and clear the print area. See, here line will disappear. Okay, so this way you can set the print area. Now the last option is set page header and the footer. Now I am going to set this in orientation is portrait. See, here the header option is there. I already set it the head page number. Now I am selecting this one. Here see, header and the footer tab will be appear. Click on this, and I want to add the current date in the header section. So what happened? See, here the current date will appear in every page of your sheet. Okay, this way you can add the footer also. So this is all about the setting the page layout. Means you can set it the margin according to your choice, orientation, page size. You can set the background also. You can select the print area also. Okay, so this way you can set the page layout. Okay, thank you for watching the video.